What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Hey, welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, I just want to thank you for clicking in, seeing what's this girl talking about. Welcome. And if you are returning, hey y'all, guess what I got? My first actual crochet hair tutorial. The very first one I did was showing you how to kind of loop some crochet wand curls into a ponytail, but this time I did a full-blown style on my regular cornrow braids, and man, I had a little bit of a challenge with this, but it is very easy. So if you are, like me, a super busy mom, super busy career woman, just a super busy human being, and we still want to take care of our hair and protect our hair and still look nice at the same time without your hair looking all crazy, get into crochet hairstyles. This is a lifesaver, and granted, it's not new, but for some of us that really just love getting our hair done bi-weekly or weekly, and now that you have a different lifestyle change, you may not have time to do that anymore, this is due to you, boo. So get into it, y'all. I'm feeling this hair. I'm so feeling this hair. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, because your subscription to my channel means everything. It means everything to me. I want to get to know you guys better, so definitely drop me some comments. Let me know who you are, what you think about this video. Give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.
So for this style, I'm using the Jumbo Senegal Twist in the color T30. So it's like a mix of a little honey blonde and black. You also have to have a crochet hook, which they're about $1 at your beauty supply store. And my timer, starting it now. So guys, I really do not have a sequence or a way that I do this. I just start in the back, of course, at the nape of the neck. You want to definitely work either side to side or just start making your way working forward, and I just made my way working forward because I wanted to make sure that the style was how I wanted it to look and how I wanted it to lay. So I'm going to continue putting these in, and then I'll do a slow motion demonstration to show you how you actually apply the crochet through your corn. But just from watching y'all, this is so easy. This was my first time doing it on myself, by the way. Alright, so there's your hook. You started with the latch back and the hook exposed. You slide it through your corn roll. Take the hoop of your crochet, apply it to the hook, close the latch, and then slide the hair through your corn roll. Take the crochet hook off, and boom. Then you take the bottom of the crochet, push it through the hoop, and then voila, all done. Some people like to do this double, like they'll double knot it, but I just did singles because they were jumbo. So I didn't want them to look too thick at the root. I wanted it to look natural. And as you can see, I do this over and over and over. What I did learn throughout this process is depending upon which side you initially put your crochet hook in, it will determine which way the crochet hair will lay. So as you can see, I did change my mind there because I want the crochet hair to lay flat towards my right. Alright, so let me show y'all what it looks like after I did half of my head. Boom! It's a look. By all means, it's not perfect. I see some empty spots back there, but I'm feeling it. So I ran out of hair. So at least we know in 30 minutes I can do half a head with 3 packs. So if you are going to try the jumbo Senegalese twist, I highly recommend 6 or more packs. Because I did leave some space in the middle just because I don't really like a thick middle. Not too full in the middle. But yeah, I ran out of hair, but it's looking cute though, right? Looking pretty cute. So I'm gonna run back to the store and grab 4 more packs of hair. So we're gonna pause this at 30 minutes, well 31. And I'll start it again when I get back. I am back with 3 more packs of hair. Timer starts. Here we go.
Y'all, my braiding base was a hot mess. I'm looking at it now like, what were you thinking, girl? Make sure your braiding base is tight because that is the foundation that will secure your crochet. But yeah, I'm sure I was in like a mommy rush or something, or I don't know, but whatever. Anywho, the good thing about styles like this is that it does mask what's underneath. So yeah, you know, you go do what you can do. Do what you can do, but definitely make sure your braids are nice and tight and sleek and even, because I don't know what's going on over there. But anyway, so as you can see, I am finishing up adding the crochet to my hair. Remember, the side that you lay your crochet hook on will determine the way your hair lays. And I'm going to make my way to the front, and then I will be almost finished to show you guys the final look. The other thing I learned during this process is not leaving that middle part exposed. You want to be able to mix your crochet up within those 2 middle braids so that they're laying in different directions. That way your middle part will not be exposed. But for now, we just gonna style it and hide it.
$52 minutes, y'all. And that is without the braiding base. My braiding base usually takes me like 30 to 45 minutes. So, you know, just take that into consideration. Definitely for this style, if you do have like thick hair like myself, thick natural hair like myself, I would recommend 7 packs of hair. Definitely 7 packs.
Well, y'all, thank y'all so much for watching my very first time doing crochet style. You guys know what to do. Don't forget to subscribe, like, give me a thumbs up, leave me some comments, and thank you all so much for watching. Toodles!